Look at these pretty ladies. I have seen you dance like crazies on Instagram.
Yeah.
They just can't wrestle, they can dance like a star.
I was a trained dancer.
No, she can dance. I can't dance. I learned from her.
No, she can dance because she's very modest in life. She can dance.
मेरी बात मानो दोस्तों मैं नहीं
I think you can dance, right?
Yeah,
she can. Absolutely. We have seen you dance.
और
So how do you all choreograph when you all do nothing?
We choreographed every single piece.
Sanya choreographs.
Yeah.
I just dance.
And we recorded. So we have
my
so
God.
many videos to post, but we can't. Have you seen this one?
Yeah, this one is my favorite.
Yeah. This.
Look at them. Has Amir seen these or not?
Yeah.
And he loves them.
Yeah, he loves us. He wants to be a part of it.
I think you all should do a video with
Hello,
this.
yeah,
It will go viral.
We should.
It will go viral, I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
I agree.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me when you all met him for the first time. Now you all know him, but first time when you met him, how was it? Was it scary?
No. The first time when we met him, he looked like a teddy bear. Like a cute teddy bear. He was fat, he was 90 kgs.
97.
95 kgs he was. So we were like, Acha, is this Amir Khan? He's not Amir Khan, you know.
Oh, you were not starstruck?
No, because he
didn't look like Amir Khan.
He didn't look like himself. He looked like a teddy bear.
But when he came back,
From his weight loss, oh my
we were
god.
shooting and he was shocked to see him. That was the first time we were like, oh my god, we are actually working with Amir Khan.
Right, yeah.
Is this the best that you have ever been? Like your body in the best
Yes.
shape?
For me, yes. I'm like very fit, I'm stronger.
I'm very strong now.
Oh.
Push-ups! Yeah.
Oh my god, I cannot do push-ups.
I couldn't even lift a bar when we used to
Then like light.
You know that patla bar होता है ना? I used to go, full prepared. चलो आज मैं दिखा दूँगी audition में कि मैं क्या उठाती हूँ. The moment I went down and I lifted,
She couldn't.
I couldn't stand only. एक और बार try करना मुझे. नहीं बस हो गया. तुमसे ना हो पाई.
Now we do weightlifting or weight training almost daily.
Yeah.
Tell me one super funny incident that happened with Amir Khan on sets.
So he's quite a prankster.
Really? He
Yeah.
looks like so sober. It's
अरे
No.
उनके
Get
मासूम
your
चेहरे
friend.
पे मत जाइए. उनके मासूम चेहरे पे मत जाइए. वो बहुत ही बड़े शैतान हैं. So we were sitting and he had this empty jar of
empty cup.
empty mug, and he came before ऐसे कि यार आमोस तूने बहुत गर्म चाय दिया आज. So I was sitting and it's actually tied to a rope, so it doesn't fall on you, but it just hangs. So he dropped it and I reacted to that कि गर्म पानी या गर्म चाय पता नहीं मेरे पे क्या गिरा. And he started laughing. I jumped out of my
used to do a lot of things.
He used to do a lot of things.
your favorite Amir Khan movie.
Andaz Andaz.
PK. No, 3 Idiots.
Okay. Sing the cheesiest Amir Khan song. Quick.
मुझे बोलना था मुझे. क्या बोलती तू?
One thing about Amir we don't know.
That he has OCD.
Oh, really?
Even we didn't know about it.
Yeah, but he has also.
So what does he do?
He's just very. अगर कुछ कपड़ा में ऐसे कुछ क्रीज होगा ना, he's like नहीं, this has to be perfect. नहीं.
That's why he's Mr. Perfectionist. Okay, a dialogue from Dangal that took you ages to learn.
बेसिकली क्या है ना कि के और कै होता है, तो उसमें क्या के को क्या
किस जगह के बोलना है, किस जगह क्या
समझ में नहीं आता था, तो हम लोग हर जगह ऐ कर लेते थे. कहीं पे मात्रा होनी चाहिए थी वहाँ पे नहीं डालते थे, जहाँ नहीं होनी चाहिए वहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो.
Okay, moments in real life when you felt like saying, "अब दंगल होगा."
अरे जब भी कोई लड़का मेरे को छेड़ता है, मैं मुझे छेड़ के ना ये मैं तो भागती हूँ. तू रुक तूने मुझे कुछ बोला क्या?
अब आप देखने वाले हैं हमारी चहीती फातिमा सना शेख का दंगल.
You are not going to hurt me, right?
No.
Are you sure you're not going to hurt me?
No.
अरे why
You are hurting me. What am I supposed to do?
Put your hands.
Come attack me.
Very good. Good job, Fatima. Good job.